Ito, hiniram yung aking toys na inggit yung bata. Yung dalawa, ayan na. Sabi nila, pahiram daw. So yan, yan o, andun o. Ala, sige, pa. Just this playground, don't go far. Okay.
Guess what brand I have? Guess what brand?
What's the brand?
Polar Lights.
Oh,
You know
Polar
that
Lights. Yeah, you get it from Best Buy?
No.
No? Oh.
I don't know where my dad got
Your dad. Where's your dad?
it. My dad, he
Yeah.
is there.
Oh, okay.
He's just coming over.
Why you did not bring it? Oh, that's your
I did
dad.
not bring it.
Okay. Yeah.
I only have.
So mine is, I don't know what's the brand of this.
I'll show you on the car.
All right.
X Max or something.
I see. I think so. I don't know. It's just drifting. He likes playing too. Okay. Yeah. Hello.
That's my dad.
Hi. Your kids has already.
No, that
also.
that one is not his kid. That's just a friend.
All right. Okay.
Okay,
So,
careful. Okay,
Uh,
Ishan, you have your own RC car, right? So can you play or wait? We can go home.
mhm.
Like 5 more minutes.
No. Oh, come, scooter.
Okay.
Ishan, I said thank you.
Okay, you're done. Your dad is already calling you. There you go. Oh! Nag-enjoy itong mga bata. Allah, sige. Ayaw nang bitawan yung remote. Allah, sige. Wala na. Wala, pinag-drift na yung car. Allah, sige. Okay. Talaga mga bata na nag-enjoy sila sa RC. Ala, sige. Binasa ko anong brand. Ala, sige, hataw. Matagal yan ang baterya niyan. Sinausok na. Sige. Talaga naman, ayaw nang bitawan yung remote. Done? No more? Okay. Bring it here. Low bat. I think the battery is low bat already. Bring it here. Okay, sige. Low bat na siguro.